In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a ledger in Zoho Books, step by step. If you're managing your business finances, keeping your accounts organized is extremely important, and creating proper ledgers inside Zoho Books helps you track expenses, income, assets, and liabilities accurately. The good news is, Zoho Books makes this process very simple once you know where everything is located. So whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or someone just getting started with Zoho Books, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple accounting and software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen where you will see the main navigation menu. Zoho Books organizes most of your accounting tools inside this sidebar, which makes it easy to access different features of the software. From this menu, look for the option called Accountant. Click on Accountant to open the accounting-related tools. After clicking Accountant, a set of accounting options will appear. From here, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where all of your financial ledgers are stored in Zoho Books. Think of this as the master list of every account your business uses, including things like revenue accounts, expense accounts, assets, liabilities, and equity accounts. Anytime you want to create a new ledger, this is the section you will use. Once you are inside the Chart of Accounts page, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see a button labeled Plus New Account. This button allows you to create a brand new ledger or account inside Zoho Books. Go ahead and click on Plus New Account to open the account creation window. Now you will see a form where you can enter the details for your new ledger. The first field is Account Name. In this field, type the name of the ledger you want to create. For example, if you want to track office rent expenses, you could name the account Office Rent. If you want to track income from consulting services, you could name it Consulting Revenue. The name should clearly describe what the ledger is used for so that it's easy to understand later when reviewing your financial reports. Next, you will see the Account Type option. This is where you choose the category that the ledger belongs to. Zoho Books provides several account types, such as expense, income, asset, liability, and equity. Selecting the correct account type is very important because it determines how the transactions will appear in your financial reports, like the profit and loss statement or balance sheet. For example, rent would normally be categorized as an expense, while consulting services would usually fall under income. Below that, you may also see a field called Account Code. This field is optional, but many accountants like to use it to assign a unique number to each ledger. Account codes make it easier to sort and organize accounts, especially when a business has many different ledgers. If your company follows a numbering system for accounts, you can enter the appropriate code here. Otherwise, you can simply leave this field blank. Next is the description field. This section is also optional, but it can be very helpful. Here, you can write a short explanation of what the ledger is used for or what type of transactions should be recorded in it. Adding a clear description can make things much easier later when reviewing accounts or when another team member needs to understand the purpose of that ledger. Once you have filled in all the required details, the final step is to click the Save button. As soon as you click Save, Zoho Books will create the new ledger and add it to your Chart of Accounts. Your new account is now ready to be used for transactions, journal entries, and financial tracking. If you ever want to view activity or transactions related to that ledger, you can do that through Reports. Simply go to the Report section inside Zoho Books and look for the appropriate financial report, such as the General Ledger or Account Transactions Report. From there, you can select the ledger you created and see all the entries associated with it. And that's it. That's exactly how to create a ledger in Zoho Books, step by step. Once you understand the Chart of Accounts, managing your accounting structure becomes much easier and more organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.